unstoppable force. To become an unstoppable force of nature, one must align themselves with that which is the source of nature itself. The energies that move, the energies that create the particles, that create the forms, the existence beyond that is manifest as that which you observe with your physical senses. The hurricanes and their devastating force, the power of their winds, the tornado and its destructive force, the lightning that can penetrate, that can destroy, that can create, that can shift the chemical makeup and form of matter, the fire, the ice, the cold. All of these things are born of a common source. They have a common catalyst from which the movement extends. And you are that catalyst. You are the initiator of the movement that creates the force. Wow, once you realize that, if you realize that you are the catalyst, you are the same. There is no separation between you and that which creates the movement of the tornado, of the hurricane, of the tsunami, of the electricity, your lightning flashes, your thunder that rolls. You are that which is the initiator of this movement, this massive, grand movement that you experience and witness in your nature. If you could only realize that that same power, that same force exists within you and can be manifest by you into your desires, into that which you call your life experience. It can birth easily the relationships. It can birth easily the health. It can birth easily the business success. It can birth easily those things that you believe yourself to need in your physical reality, your homes, your cars, your jobs, your interactions, your relationships, all the things that you believe yourself to need, all the things that you believe yourself to be common and of your reality. Whatever level that you desire to experience on can be birthed effortlessly because you are that which initiates the power and force that you experience in nature. There is no separation between you and source energy. There is no separation between you and the intelligence that holds the planets in orbit, that holds and manifests precisely and perfectly. There is no separation between you that has placed you and that has placed the universal laws into order and action. Like energy attracts unto itself that which you express energetically is drawn and manifest unto you. This is a law. This is the greatest blessing. It is of the greatest beauty, of the highest love. And it is yours to use as you see fit. And it is used because it is constantly in motion. The creative process within you is constantly in motion. And there is no idea or question of positive or negative, wanted or unwanted, for you are God. For you are source energy. So that which you place your attention and your focus on is drawn, is created, is ultimately manifest. So all of you who are listening, all of you that hear these words and that choose to accept our perspective, now have the opportunity to choose what you place your attention and your focus on. You have the opportunity to choose that which will be manifest as your reality, as your experience. Do you choose to be a beacon of blessing? Or do you choose to be a beacon of suffering? Do you choose to be a beacon of wealth and abundance? Or do you choose to be a beacon of lack and poverty? Do you choose to be a beacon of health and well-being? Or do you choose to be a beacon of dis-ease? Those who are listening now have a choice. You are no longer unconscious in your actions, in your mental activity, in your energy signature, your frequency, your tone, your vibration. You are no longer unconscious because you have heard the words. You have heard a new perspective of which you can apply to your life and see the difference manifest. There is no separation between you and Source. There is no separation between you and that which is the catalyst to the most prolific, the most beautiful, the most powerful expressions of nature. There is no separation between you and that which has created your most magnificent inventions, your most magnificent tools, your most powerful machines. There is no separation between you and that which creates worlds. And we celebrate the opportunity to share with you and to communicate with you from our perspective. We celebrate the ability to support your expansion, your evolution, the creation of your experience to the benefit of your soul and source energy. We are honored to be a part of this grand design and expansion that is happening on your planet and in your reality. We are forever in love with you. We are forever united and connected with you, for we are Source and you are Source and we are one. Thank you.